Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the Typical Budget, and I just wanted to basically check on everyone, see how everyone was doing. Also check on everyone's budget. I know the month of May is pretty much coming to an end, so what I wanted to do is go over my bills for June and just show you how I'm budgeting by paycheck. So here I get paid on the 5th, and I don't get paid again until the 19th. So the bills that are on the 5th, which is Netflix for $9.84, Walmart, I owe them $105. For Discover, I left that blank because I already paid them. So what would happen is, once I get paid on this day, I would pay any bill that's until this date here. Now, I do owe AT&T $216.35, and that bill did go up by $30, I believe. So my next payday, which is the 19th, I would pay all of the bills until I get paid again on the 3rd of July. But since that's in another month, I will leave that spot blank. So I get paid on the 19th, and what I would do is I'll pay K's $21.94. I'll pay $80 for electricity, and I will pay State Farm. I don't really know how much that bill for State Farm will be, but I do know it did go down about $11 or $12. So when it comes to my bills, I don't really have too many bills, as you can see. I did make some monthly goals as well. So I do want to start shopping from my kitchen before grocery shopping. So if I go through my kitchen and see that I already have ground beef, instead of buying 2 or 3 packs, I may just buy 1. Goal number 2 is to figure out how to make more money. Goal number 3, I want to be able to save an extra $200 on top of what I'm already saving. And goal number 4 would be to go through my planner stuff, sell what I don't use. Now, the last time I sold what I didn't use, I ended up making over $100, and I just put it in my planner sales account. So today I finally moved that amount to my emergency fund. Had to scoot that down so you can see everything. So when it comes to the bills, I do use EMichelle's budget workbook, the printable version. So I will link her information below as always. And on this page, it just shows when my pay. So now I know when this one get paid. It's the 21st. So on this page, you have a place for all of your bills and when they get paid. So once I pay a bill, I'll just come back to this page and check it off. Well, now when it comes to this page here, let me try to make it a little bit more brighter. So for the month of June, I am only estimating $2,600. So when it comes to rent is $725. Walmart, I do owe them $105. For AT&T, I do owe them $216.35. For NES, I am paying them $80. For State Farm, I'm really not sure what that bill will be, but I will budget for $155. Hopefully that looks a little better. For groceries, we haven't been grocery shopping just yet, but I am budgeting for $250 for rideshare, budgeting for $30 for health, budgeting for $145 for personal, $60. Car maintenance, I am going to add just a little bit more money to car maintenance. So for the month, we are budgeting for $80. For fast food, budgeting for $80. Now I am bringing all of my cash envelopes back, so that's why you see fun and other things. So for fun, we are budgeting for $20. I really haven't been anywhere just yet, so that's why that amount is low. Normally it's $30 or $40. For gas, we really haven't been using any gas, so we're just gonna add in $30. For health, this one would get none since I did write it twice. For vacation, normally I would save a little more than $30 each, but this time it's getting 60 bucks. And for savings, I am planning on saving $220 for the month. Now that's not with my goal to save an extra $200. So yeah, when you add everything up, you'll get $2,456.35. And if you subtract that amount from the budgeted amount for the income, you would have $143.65. Now, I'm not going to fill these in because I'm not really sure what my income would be, so I'll fill those in later. And when it comes to the savings goal, I did put at least $550. Now when it comes to my credit score, I don't really care about that at the moment. I do, but I really don't. Not at the moment. And I'll rewrite my goals down here and any extra notes that I may have. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you do like this video and would consider subscribing if you are already subscribed. Thanks for coming back.